in today's tutorial, I'm how to change your monitor refresh rate on your Acer laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result should come back with settings. Open that up and then select System on the left panel. On the right side, select Display to open up your Acer monitor display settings. And then scrolling down underneath related settings, select Advanced Display. Select your preferred display up at the top. You want to click the drop down for the you want to make settings or changes for. And then on the same page underneath display information, there should be something that says choose a refresh rate. Go ahead and click the drop down and you can select anything that your monitor supports. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.